Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's dive into a common problem that many Chrome users face. Picture this. You're cruising the web in full screen mode, enjoying your browsing experience. Suddenly, the urge to open a new tab hits you, and you instinctively press Ctrl+T. But wait, there's a hiccup. You realize you can't type in the Omnibox to enter a new website or URL. Annoying, right? This is a classic problem that Fullscreen Chrome users encounter when trying to open a new tab. Now, let's talk about the solution to this dilemma. Unfortunately, there's no way to embed the Omnibox in other areas of Chrome, including the new tab page. Even Chrome extensions are limited in accessing Omnibox features like specific search engines in their prefixes. But fret not, if your main aim is simply to type URLs, the default new tab page houses a search bar that handles URL inputs to open directly in the current tab. Any other inputs are seamlessly searched on Google. So, the good news is that while you can have the full Omnibox experience, there are workarounds to make your browsing life easier. In summary, while the problem of not being able to access the Omnibox in full screen mode remains unsolved, Chrome offers solutions like using the default new tab page's search bar for URL inputs. Remember, Chrome extensions may provide more sophisticated input options, but they'll never fully replicate the Omnibox capabilities we know and love. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy browsing.